Hey guys, today we're gonna graft an avocado tree. So we have an avocado seedling here, and we have got our branch from our mature tree that we're gonna graft onto it. So we're gonna try to find the point at which these diameters seem to be pretty close, and we're gonna chop the top of that off. We're also gonna remove all these leaves. And now we're gonna get our grafting knife, and we are gonna make this into a wedge. You can see that. And we're just going to try to cut this to a point so that the tip of it is as thin as we can possibly imagine. We want to sort of, in our minds, believe that we are down to 1 cell thickness at the very tip of this, because we want it to be just a wedge, just like that. So do we have that good? It's pretty good. It's pretty thin. We really don't want to whittle this too much. We want to try to make as few cuts as possible. And what we're trying to do is make sure that our cambium, which is the layer just under the bark, can line up with this one. So now we're going to make a split down the middle of this. It doesn't have to be directly down the middle, but roughly down the middle. And the goal is to create a situation where the cambium on this is connected to the cambium on this. And we are going to make this plant believe that this new piece is a part of it. And it's going to send its energy into this new branch, and this branch will start to grow if all things go right. Got to make sure we got the cambiums lined up, because that's the #1 reason why grafts fail, is the cambiums are not lined up. So, I think we have cambiums touching there. So we're gonna get our grafting tape, and we are gonna wrap this around here. So I like to pull the grafting tape a little tight, and it becomes almost like a rope, and you can just use that to just tie things together here. And I like to graft high up as well, because that way, if this graft doesn't work out, we can graft it again. We can cut it off lower, and we can graft this again. I find avocados to be a little more difficult to graft than mangoes. Mangoes, I feel like they graft super easy. Avocados, a little bit more technique sensitive. So you gotta be a little sharper with your avocado grafts, I think, than your mango grafts. And then you have things like mulberries and figs that you can just graft like in the dark. Like they just pretty much take no matter what you do.